The Nokia Lumia 820 may be overshadowed by the 920, but this Windows Phone 8 smartphone shouldn't be overlooked. It's about as tall as an iPhone 5, but a bit wider. It's also quite a bit thicker and weighs 175 grams. We got used to the Lumia 820's weight, but it seemed chunky and dated compared to the slender competition these days. A nod to Nokia's past is the revival of interchangeable rear covers in various colours. Build quality is very good. Once the shell is clipped into place, the entire device feels solid and robust. The Lumia 820 may be a cheaper alternative to the 920, but the processor and memory remain the same, with a Qualcomm Snapdragon S4 dual-core processor and a gig of RAM. We found performance to be smooth on the whole, but some apps take a frustrating amount of time to load. Storage is the first sign of cost cutting. There's just 8 gig on board, but it does have a microSD slot to compensate. By today's standards, the 4.3-inch screen is relatively small. This is no problem, but the resolution of 480 by 800 and the resulting pixel density of 217 ppi leaves a lot to be desired. We love the fact that you can use the screen while wearing gloves though. The Lumia 820 is packed with features including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 3, NFC and key wireless charging, as long as you use the correct shell. It also supports 4G LTE in the UK. We like the dedicated camera button on the 820, but we were disappointed with the photos from the 8.7 megapixel snapper, which had less detail and sharpness than photos from the Lumia 920 and other 8 megapixel phone cameras. However, video footage was smooth and detailed at full HD resolution. The Lumia 820 runs Windows Phone 8, but Nokia adds many of its own apps to improve the experience. There's the Nokia Drive SatNav, Nokia Music and plenty of photography apps like Creative Studio and Cinemagraph. We were pleased with the 820's battery life. After 24 hours of use, it still had 40% remaining. The wireless charging feature means it's easy to keep the phone topped up as well. Nokia's Lumia 820 has an attractive design but doesn't pack the punch we expect from a phone costing this much, with key areas such as the screen and camera letting it down. We award 3.5 stars.